Hi, Shmeem here with Stillwater Senior Living, and we all want to do our research in regard to where mom and dad may love to live. So you may, or you and your parent, loved one, will go and tour different communities, and that's exactly what we want you to do. And we all know the differences between one community and another community. And one of the tricks that I have been trying to explain to families, because once they go to one place or 5 places, they all blur together, is you want to make sure that you are comparing apples to apples. Well, unfortunately, in this profession, there aren't a whole lot of apples and apples. So after these tours and visits, everybody is obviously wanting to know about costs. But first, you need to compare what community they are tribe, what they are going toward. Which one gives them that warm hug whenever they walk into the door? So take all your brochures, take out all of the pricing, and put them down in front of your loved one, or you look at them. And that is one easy way to eliminate some of those communities that you went and toured at. Then you can start looking at the pricing. Now, a lot of people may have sticker shock when they see the pricing, but you want to sit back and think about all of the maintenance that your loved one is having to have done, paid for on their house. They're having to get their lawn done. They're having to get the roof repaired because we just had a hailstorm. They are needing to have someone come in and clean their home. They're paying for their cable. They're paying for their phone, their electric, their heat. All of these things that they have to pay for. When you move into an assisted living, all of those things are included. Plus, we have medical staff here to assist them. We have a 24-hour nurse in the building. So you want to sit back and really evaluate real estate taxes, homeowners insurance, all of those things that add up, and compare it to what they are going to be getting. And remember, socialization, making new friends, all of those things are there to help them thrive and be successful and not have that stress of worrying about who's going to come fix that leaky faucet. If you have more questions, please visit us at stillwaterseniorliving.com.